This ultimate 20 volts tool combo kit. This tool combo kit includes the following PWR Core 20 products: drill driver, reciprocating saw, oscillating multi-tool, Bluetooth speaker, sander, and spotlight. Includes the power and performance of the SKIL 4.0 Ah PWR Core 20 Lithium Battery, 2.0 Ah PWR Core 20 Lithium Battery with PWR Assist Mobile Charging, and PWR Jump Charger. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. Longer runtime and battery life. Our patented battery features advanced technology that wraps each cell with cooling material to keep it powering on for up to 25% longer run times and 2x the battery life. Number 2. Power other devices. PWR Assist Mobile Charging gives you a USB port right in the battery, so you can take it with you to charge your phone, tablet, and more. Number 3. Charges in 5 minutes. With our exclusive PWR Jump feature, in just 5 minutes you'll have enough power to drive up to 100 screws. Number 4. Digital brushless motor. Delivers efficient, high-performance power and extended tool life. Number 5. Power toolkit. Power tools include drill driver, reciprocating saw, oscillating multi-tool, Bluetooth speaker, sander, and spotlight. Number 6. Batteries included. Get started on your next task with one 4.0 Ah lithium battery, one 2.0 Ah lithium battery with PWR Assist USB port, and one PWR Jump Charger, and so much more. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.